let's talk about some of the major things that students must completely avoid for the IELTS examination. Today, I have just compiled the top 5 things that I have read on numerous blogs and also from IELTS examiners. Let's start learning. Alright, so here we go with my top 5 things that you should completely avoid for the exam. These are completely based on experiences from different examiners. If you feel you are doing any of these, try to avoid it. First thing is, don't be a robot. Please do not memorize any of your answers, and under any circumstance, please make sure that you do not memorize it. Having a scripted answer prepared ahead of time might give you some kind of relief, but it is not going to help you to get a good score, especially in your writing. And no, actually it's not just in the writing but also in the speaking. If something is scripted, then any person, be it the examiner actually, can easily understand. And the moment he understands it, he's just going to put that whatever this particular student has written or is speaking is not original. So therefore, please do not memorize any answers. Next, stop beating around the bush, which means to say, come to the point. When you are answering a question, be it for the writing or the speaking, make sure that you are getting to the point. Avoid repeating a sentence or a phrase again and again just to increase the length. Avoid unnecessary details, especially for your writing and also your speaking. This is not only a waste of your valuable time, but will also affect your score. So, the bottom line is, get to the point. Next is, take it easy or keep it simple. Avoid using too many complicated words. Many candidates think in order to get that brilliant score in the vocabulary, you have to use some big fancy words. Well, yes, it is important to use some of these good words. However, make sure that you know these words or you are familiar with these words. I have come across a lot of students, especially in the writing. During the writing, they try to use a big word, but they get the spelling wrong. If they are using it in the speaking, they get the pronunciation wrong. So make sure to use some words that you are comfortable with. If you use words that you don't completely understand, there is a probability or a chance that you might use it incorrectly. And if that happens, you know what's going to happen? Your scores are going to come down. Next one, don't hurry to answer. That's right. Don't rush to answer a particular question. I've always told this to students. When a question is asked, especially in your speaking, take a second or two to think about what you are going to say before you start your speaking. By doing so, you can actually quickly organize the different thoughts and the ideas to make sure that you are giving a more better answer. If it is for the writing part, then use some time to actually plan out your work and then jump into answering it. This is same for the task 1 or the task 2. Before I jump on to my next point, please, if you are getting some value out of this video, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you have still not joined our YouTube community, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button so that you will not miss out on the valuable videos we are releasing every week. Now let's move on to the next point, which is be on time. That's right. For the exam, you will have to reach there a couple of hours before. Make sure that you reach on time. This will give yourself plenty of time to get to know your exam hall, how to do the registration, where to sit. Everything will be a bit relaxed. Make sure you know well ahead where the exam hall is happening, what is the time, how to reach there, all those minute little things. I hope you found these tips useful and informative. I recommend you keep these things in mind when you are preparing for the IELTS exam. Talking about preparation, if you are serious about your goals and would like to get some proper guidance, then we are here to help. Log on to our website and sign up with us to get some good guidance. You can get in touch with us by using that contact form in the comment section right below. Let us know your feedback about this video, or if you've got any further suggestions, in the comment section right below. Feel free to share it with your friends and also check out some of our other videos on this channel. That's it from Genesis Learning this week. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I'm your trainer Noel, and I will see you next week. Ciao.